Wendy, and this is my channel. I was having a bad day, so this canvas got scraped. My paint consistencies were a bit off. So here I'm going to be going for a white dump, and that using white as my dump paint over top of the colors. And I haven't really had a super successful one using white, and this one was not bad, but not what I really wanted, so I ended up having to finagle a few things and turn it into something that I was happy with. Keep watching because we're going to go straight into the transformation here really quickly. Okay, so we're going to embellish this canvas now, just because I didn't like that gigantic floating white island in the middle of it. These are some of my papers that I make when I have too much overpour, and you've seen me, if you watch my other videos, you've seen me make my papers. So I'm just rolling this. This is a bit of a thicker one. A couple of these were on really thick, closer to cardboard, and they don't roll so well. And we're just going to use some tacky glue to put it together. We roll them on a stick, glue them together at the end, let them dry a bit, and then we're going to glue these to the front of the canvas. all done, and it is really cute. And here's one I did a couple of years ago, and that is a vintage brooch on top of the rolls. Thanks for watching. See you next time.